Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check specifications of this tablet. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck, like that, and install this free app from Flartu developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. And thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!